Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some digital planning for the upcoming month and week using my Samsung Galaxy Tab. I'm excited to be using some of my new sticker packs, and I'll also be checking out the new Magic Drawing Pad from XP Pen. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a chatty plan with me. I haven't actually done one of these in forever, so I'm really excited to finally be doing one again. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus today along with the S Pen. Here I'm in Penly app, and today I'm going to do some planning for the next month ahead, and I'm probably also going to do some planning for the next week. The first thing I like to do with these monthly spreads is to drop in any important dates. And then mid-month I have some deadlines for a collab video that I'm doing. And next I want to have a think about goals for this upcoming month. So I'm just adding this transparent sticky note, and I'm going to create a header using a fancy font. Before I set my goals, I thought I'd have a look back at the vision board that I created at the start of the year. And here are the goals that I had written. My first goal is to plan our USA road trip, and I'll talk about that in more detail later in the video. And my third goal is to hopefully release another sticker pack because I really enjoyed the last couple that I worked on. Recently, we released some new sticker packs, and these are self-care, fitness, student, and cozy cafe. Talking of making stickers, I recently tried out the new Magic Drawing Pad from XP Pen. So this is a standalone Android tablet, and I was able to quickly transfer all of my apps over from my Samsung Galaxy Tab. It works great with drawing apps like Ibis Paint and Infinite Painter, and unlike traditional drawing tablets, you don't need to connect this to your laptop, but you can easily do so if you want to use programs like Photoshop on Windows. I also tried it out with other Android apps like Penly for note-taking and digital planning, and everything works pretty similar to the Galaxy Tab. The stylus pen works really well for handwriting, and it is also pressure sensitive. Overall, I think this is a good alternative to the Galaxy Tab, especially when it goes on sale, and thank you so much to XP Pen for sending me this to try. And I'm just going to add some stickers randomly to the page and see if they look nice. Let's add this sofa sticker next to the bookshelf. I think that looks really cozy. And then I think this sticker looks nice here. I've been meaning to come up with a routine for fitness because right now I just exercise when I feel like it, and then I get muscle soreness and then I don't do anything for days. I'm not a student anymore, but there's a few stickers from the student pack that I'm sure I will use all the time, like this laptop sticker. This sticker from the self-care pack is another one of my favorites. Dan and I are planning some evenings where we just chill out and play games. So I'm going to add this sticker here to represent that. And then for the words, I'm going to tilt it as well to match the sticker. I have these class passes from my local gym, so I do need to use those up before they expire. So just dropping in a few classes that I would like to go to. Copy and paste this on another week. I really like this sticker, so I'm going to add it here just for decoration. I want to fill up this blank space over here, so I'm going to add this plant sticker. So this is what the page looks like so far, and I've just set it up and decorated it, and I'll be adding more to this as we get into July. But so far I really like the little scenery that we have down here with the cozy looking stickers, and yeah, I like this overall cozy theme I have going on. So next I want to do a bit of planning for the upcoming week, which is the last week of June. I'm still using this weekly layout, and I have wanted to try some of the other ones, but I just really like this big to-do list. I'm just basically going to brain dump everything that I have on my plate right now. We are getting another foster cat, so I need to top up on the cat food, and I'm super excited for him to turn up. I also need to finish testing the new teacher and student planners. So we're going to release them soon, and they have some new features that are going to be in beta testing. I also need to finish editing this plan with me video. Once I have the to-do list, I just pick out 2 or 3 high priority items and I just paste them into this top priorities box. In this notes section, I'm going to add a photo of Lewis the cat, that's his name. Let's go with this sticker here. And this is a photo of him at the vet. This is what the charity sent to me, so I haven't actually met him yet. Dan and I are super excited to have another foster cat. So our last cat that you might have seen in my previous videos, Nira, she ended up getting adopted by a really good family in Germany. And I just realized that Lewis looks very much like the cat sticker in our logo. I mean, he doesn't have the stripes on his head, but I think that this could be Lewis. So I'm going to put that sticker here. I don't know exactly which day he is going to get dropped off. I'm hoping to post this video sometime midweek, so hopefully by Tuesday I'll have finished editing it. One of these days I'm going to have to go and sit in a cafe and try and edit my videos. I've never actually done that. I'm going to add a checklist sticker just because I have a couple of things to do. Thursday I have a yoga class, so let's add this sticker here. The classes are actually really tough, and part of me actually prefers just doing it by myself at home to a YouTube video. Sunday is my brother's birthday, and I don't have a birthday pack, but I'm going to use this chocolate slice from the cafe pack to represent a birthday cake. For those of you that don't know, my brother Kevin is the developer of this app that I'm using, Penly app. I couldn't find a good Android app for my digital planners, and that is basically how Penly started. In this note section, I'm going to add a mood tracker, and I have a couple of different ones. So let's see, let's go with this one. So I'll just get rid of the others. I'm also going to add a currently watching sticker. So I'm currently watching House of the Dragon and I'm really enjoying that, and I think the new season just started. I'm using a different color pen here just so it stands out better from the black text. The other cat sticker I'm just going to add to the bottom of the to-do list since I'm not using the space anyways. I haven't got anything on the Thursday yet, but I'm just going to drop in this checklist sticker so that it's ready when I want to write something in. And same for Friday, I'm going to add in this green checklist. In this habit section, I'm just writing out the daily habits that I want to keep up with. Stuff like doing daily exercises, taking my vitamins and supplements, and also keeping up with my skincare routine. So here's what the whole page looks like and what I have in my weekly planner so far. I'm going to do some planning for the USA road trip, and I'm going to put that into the custom pages section here. So these are all hyperlinked, and I'm just going to title this page. And this is just linked to a blank page. And then I'm just going to create a hyperlink to that page, 682, and then tap on OK. And now when you tap on it, it just brings you to that page. So Dan and I are super excited about going to the US next year. So we never actually meant to stay in Dubai for as long as we have done, but it's not easy finding places that give us like a long visa to reside in. So here I'm just going to create a split screen with Chrome, and you can just drag and drop this image onto your page. So at the moment we're thinking just to do the East Coast, but we haven't fully decided on the trip itinerary yet. I'm just going to crop this actually because I'm unlikely to need the rest of the page. I want to save this exact itinerary, so I'm just going to create a text box and then select everything I want to copy and drag and drop it into the text box. I'm going to use the highlighter pen to highlight the cities that we definitely want to go through. And starting at the bottom, Miami, definitely, because we have been watching Dexter. And then Orlando, I think there's Disneyland, I'm not quite sure. I really want to go to Connecticut because I've been watching Gilmore Girls. As you can see, we haven't done a lot of research on this yet. So back on my monthly page, this is just hyperlinked so that I can easily jump between the two pages. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and check out my other Plan With Me's in the meantime. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.